In the prior activity, we installed and uninstalled server roles using Server Manager. In this activity, we're going to do the same tasks, except via using PowerShell. So same idea, just different tool to use, which we can use depending on what we want to use at that one moment. So here I am. I'm on server DM1. I am logged in as the administrator. If I look here, administrator. And I'm going to open up PowerShell. Gonna make PowerShell a little bit bigger, and I'm going to move back to the root just to give a little bit more desk space. The first command is get-windows feature, and we will get a list of all of the Windows features that can be installed on this computer. Now, as we look through the list, we will notice that there are 3 columns. The far right column says whether it is installed or available. The far left column is the friendly name or display name. And then the middle column is the technical name that we use when we're looking to install or uninstall software using PowerShell. We're going to scroll through here and we're going to look for print and document services. And we see that is right there. It is currently available and its name is print-services. All right, let's go ahead and install that. So down at the bottom, install -Windows feature. Wait for tab complete. There we go. Print-services. And then -include management tools. And enter. So this will install the print server feature as well as the management tools having to do with the print server feature. Oftentimes, this can be a lot faster way of installing software than going through Server Manager. Once you know the commands to type, it is actually fairly quick and easy, especially if you have to do this task on multiple machines. All right, due to the powers of video editing, that took no time at all. Might take a little bit longer for you. Now that we have installed the Windows feature, now we can go ahead and check to see get-Windows feature, and then specifically say where installed. So here we can look specifically only for the features that are installed, and we will see our print server. There we go. Print and document services. Print services has been installed. All right, so we installed it. Let's go ahead and uninstall it. Uninstall -Windows feature, print-services, -include management tools, and enter. All right, and after a surprisingly long uninstall process, the print services has been uninstalled. We can see success is true, restart is not needed, and if I press up arrow a couple of times, I will get back to my get Windows feature where installed, and I will see the currently installed features, and print server is not in there. So we have confirmed that we have finished or successfully uninstalled the print server.